How many winters have you already wasted? You said to yourself, next year I'll change, next year I'll finally become stronger. But the truth is, every winter you hide in comfort, while your potential dies in the cold. This winter is your chance to break that cycle, because I'm giving you the exact 100-day Winter Arc Challenge. Follow this, and by the time spring arrives, you will not recognize yourself. This is not a motivational speech. This is a war plan. Part 1. The core rule. For the next 100 days, your life has 3 priorities only. 1. Build your body. Your body is the first battlefield. No more laziness. No more excuses. You will train every single day. You will fuel yourself with clean food, not junk that makes you weak. In 100 days, you should feel stronger, sharper, and more capable than you ever have before. Your body is your armor, and this winter, you are reforging it. 2. Build your mind. A weak mind destroys a strong body. That's why every day, you will also train your focus and discipline. You will read, listen, and learn instead of scrolling endlessly. You will face discomfort, cold showers, early mornings, long hours of silence, because that is how mental toughness is built. By the end of this arc, your mind should no longer be your enemy. It should be your sharpest weapon. 3. Kill distractions. The truth is, distraction is the #1 killer of men today. And this challenge will force you to cut it out. No more late night scrolling. No more meaningless conversations or fake dopamine. Every notification you silence, every hour you protect, makes you stronger. You don't have time to waste. Every second must be invested into becoming the man you're meant to be. Part 2. The daily system. Here's your exact Winter Arc daily routine. This is non-negotiable. Morning 5 a.m. till 8 a.m. Wake up at 5 a.m. The first battle of the day is against your comfort. Win it. Cold shower, or at least cold water splash. This is your war cry. 20 to 30 minutes workout. Push-ups, squats, planks, or running. No gym needed. 10 minutes journaling. Write 3 things. 1 thing you're grateful for. 1 target for the day. 1 bad habit you'll kill today. High protein breakfast. Eggs, oats, fruit. Fuel your body for war. Daytime 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Deep work block 2 to 3 hours. Pure focus. No phone. No distractions. This is where you study, build a skill, or grind on your goals. Healthy meals to 2 to 3 clean meals. No junk food. Movement breaks. Every 2 hours, do 20 push-ups or stretch. Keep the body active. Knowledge time. 30 minutes reading or audiobook. Replace scrolling with learning. Evening 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Second workout session. Calisthenics, running, boxing, or shadow boxing. Skill building. 1 focused hour on something that makes your future powerful. Business, editing, coding, anything. Reflection journal. 1 line. Did I win today? Night 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Digital detox. No phone after 9 p.m. Write down your first task for tomorrow. Sleep at 10 p.m. Discipline means protecting your rest. This is the backbone of the Winter Arc. Master the day. Repeat for 100 days. Next, the weekly rules. Every week, add 1 discipline challenge. Week 1, no sugar. Week 2, wake up 5 a.m. every single day. Week 3, add daily 5 kilometers walk or run. Week 4, cold shower every morning. After 4 weeks, repeat the cycle with more intensity. That means cleaner diet, harder workouts, stricter digital detox. Every Sunday, review your week. Ask yourself, did I get sharper or weaker? If weaker, double the punishment. Push-ups, runs, or delete the apps wasting your time. The milestones. Day 30, your body adapts. You'll feel stronger, sharper, more disciplined. Day 60, people around you notice. They see a man becoming something different. Day 100, transformation. You've built a routine most people can't even survive. You're no longer like them. You've separated yourself. Remember, this arc is not about feeling good. It's about building an identity that is unbreakable. Last, the final choice. By spring, two versions of you will exist. One, the same weak man, the same wasted time, the same excuses. The other, sharper, disciplined, unstoppable. The only difference between the two is what you do these next 100 days. So, are you ready to commit? This is your winter arc. Don't waste it. Most will scroll away and stay average. But if you're serious about becoming the man they can't ignore, subscribe to the Quiet Alpha and keep sharpening your edge. Your future self is watching.